Unicorns and Urinals, how to play. The object of the game is for your team to win the most cards. The object of each round is for your team to guess as many word pairs before the timer runs out. Setup. Place the card box and urinal cake in the center of the table. Divide into teams as evenly as possible. The game works best with 2 to 4 teams with 2 to 4 players on each team. Teams take turns and players on each team take turns. Pick a team to go first. That team picks one player to be the first clue giver. Each card has 2 pairs of words or phrases. One side is purple, the other is green. Pick a color everyone will use in this game. Colors do not indicate difficulty, just more options. The first clue giver draws a card from the box and someone starts the timer. The clue giver must now get their team to guess both words by giving clues. You may give any type of clue except don't say any part of the things on the card and don't say what letter the things start with. All cards have 2 things that have absolutely nothing in common except that they start with the same letter. Guessers on your team must shout out both things, like unicorns and urinals. If they guess one of the things, the clue giver can confirm. It doesn't matter which order the things are guessed, so long as both are shouted. When the guessers get both things, the clue giver keeps the card for the team, then grabs another one. You can go through as many cards on your turn as time allows. If you do not know one of the words on the card, discard it and draw a new card. There is no limit to the number of cards you can discard. If the clue giver is partway through a clue when the time runs out, the clue giver and their guessers must stop talking. Any player from any other team may grab the urinal cake and immediately say what's on the card or any of the discarded skipped cards from the round. If the opposing team guesses correctly, then they keep the card. If they guess incorrectly, then they must discard one of the cards their team has already won. Play continues with the next team, and so on until each team has given clues. This is one round. The game ends after 4 rounds. If teams are larger than 4 players, then some players will not be a clue giver, and if they are smaller than 4 players, some players may be the clue giver twice. When the game ends, the team with the most cards wins. If there is a tie, play a tiebreaker round.